Hey, what up, guys? Today we're just gonna go through. I've passed my phase one funded account. It was good, 3 weeks, and I was good. So the trade that you see on the screen right now, it's a trade that I took on Friday last week, and I didn't believe. No, not on Friday. It was this week Monday. This week Monday, because today is Friday. That's why I'm thinking about Friday. It was this week Monday. So I took this trade on Monday and didn't think it will hit take profit. So my goal was I'm going to pass maybe in the middle of the week. But luckily enough, it as you can see on my screen over here, bro, it went touch just a little bit above and then just shoot straight to my take profit, right? So it was good to see. It was a very, very nice move. I enjoyed it because I didn't check, like, when I trade, I don't check the charts. Once I enter the trade, I forget the charts. And then I got an email, said you have passed your funded account. That means it might take profit. So let me just scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, I made $97.28. So if you look here on the trades that I took this month, all right, I had 6 trade that I won, 4 trades that I lost. So out of 10 trades, I lost 4 and then I won 6. That means I have a 60% win rate in July, and my spread it was 1:2, right? So basically, that is why I made 412 here, but the reality is $411 and something. Somehow I miscalculated the cents or the dollar somewhere, of which it made it not to balance, right? So I'm going to go through 5 percenters because this is the one. So how many prop firm account have I bought with 5 percenters? It's 5, 4. No, it's 3 actually, right? I bought this one and then I blew it, and then this one was deactivated because I stopped trading on it. As you can see, it still have a $5, a $50 trading that I could have used, but I realized that I was not ready at that time when I was using this one. I realized by myself, but you know what? I blew the first one, and then the second one is the same thing. Nah, that means I'm the one who's not ready. So let me stop. I stopped, right, trading. I have to go and find a strategy I could use up until I found one, and then I came back and then I bought this one over here, and then it worked. As you can see, 400, it's $411.87. As you can see, with this one, it's $412.94. So that means there is about like 90 something cents worth, $1.04 and 3 cents somewhere. I'm not sure the numbers, but yeah. So I passed it. So we can just click on it so that you can see what happened here. So I haven't traded the new one simply because the month is, we're still in July. So I will trade it in August. I will start with it in August. That is why I'm not trading currently. I'm just looking. I'm not interested in forex trading currently, right? So as you can see over here, where is the curve? As you can see from the get-go, I never went below my initial balance, right? Never went below my initial balance. Always been going higher and higher and higher and higher. It has been going higher and higher and higher. So up until I hit take profit on Friday. So I know my strategy is not that good, right? Because sometimes there was a month whereby it was on break even the whole month. So yeah, it does happen. So profits are at 103%, right? So as you can see, my win rate is 60%, of which it's good. My profit factor, 3.4, right? Average best win, 98.17. Biggest loss is $50. So my wins basically are $50. My $100, my losses are $50. So I made, all in all, I made $583.80. $1.83. I lost $171.96. Bro. 10 trades. All in all, 10 trades. As you can see, wins 6 out of 10, which they made me pass my refunded account. Of which right now the goal is to pass phase 2, right? I haven't touched phase 2. We're still on phase 1. Why I haven't touched phase 2? Simply because I trade based on a monthly base. I don't just trade anytime when I have an account. They just want to go and start trading. That's not how I am. I trade based on a monthly base. My overview at all, I look at it after every 30 days, right? So that is why I haven't started this, because I still have another week next week for July. Another week next week for July. So I still in the next week, even next week, I'm not going to touch it. Right? I'm not going to touch it. I will touch it next week when I start the month of August. So as you can see, inactive days, 5 days. I got this Monday. I got this account on Monday. Is there any date? Yeah, 20. Yeah. Started 20 this month, and today it's 24, right? Today is 24. So I haven't touched it, and I'm not going to touch it up until August 1st. Okay, the calendar is not coming up. Anyways, so let me continue. Sure, up until, oh, there it is. So up until August 3rd, right? Up until August 3rd. So it will be roughly about 10 days, somewhere there. 14 days of not being active. Then I'll start trading from there, right? And then see what's gonna happen. The goal is 5%. It's a little bit lesser than 8%. And once I pass the 5%, I will stop trading. Even if I pass, let's say for example, I pass in the second week of August, right? I will stop trading then. Then I will start the new account in September, right? That's how it is. That's how it works for me. I don't know for other people, because some other people just want to trade as soon as they get an account. They just want to go there and trade so that they can make a payout. That's not how I actually maneuver this thing. As soon as I reach the target in that month, doesn't matter when, I stop trading, and then I'm gonna see next month, right? So yeah, that's how it is, guys. And shout out to everybody who's watching my videos. Just want to say thank you to everybody who are not subscribed. Please do subscribe. And I know you might be wondering, why do I have so much subscribers and less views? It is simple, simply because I had this channel basically was a teaching channel before, right? So I was teaching SMC before, and I told people that I am done teaching. I've taught you guys everything, and then I went on, and then I trade for myself. And then I realized that no, man, I'm not ready. The style that I have been trading was not for me, simply because you have to wait a long time for you to trade, right? So I moved away from SMC. I started trying to find another strategy, and then I realized that I'm not ready on those strategies. And then I changed, and then I find another strategy, the one that I'm using now, and then things are okay. And then I came back to YouTube. So it was a long time of me not posting. So that is why most people never cared about my channel anymore. And then now I'm coming back. So hopefully, man, by next year, at this time, by next year, the views will be up. I wonder what this $3.90, what is it for? But they said this, something is off here. They say it's $5. Right? When you buy a challenge, they give you $5 back. But here it's $3.90. But anyways, I know probably maybe I might get it, because they say it's expire in October. So I might get it when I withdraw, but we're gonna see. I'm not sure. I don't care. Anyways, yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. I will see you guys on my next video. Take care. God bless you, and I hope you've been with me in this journey of my trading, trying to pass my program challenge, phase one, and I did. Now we're going to phase two, and then we are going to be together again in phase two to see what is going to happen. Anyways, guys, thank you. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.